guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Yashi Vage and thank you so much for being here. I know 8 months is a very long time to go MIA, and if you've been following me on Instagram, you know I've been active there. A lot has changed. I have changed and I'm sure you must have changed too. I know there's a gap. I know we need to talk about so many things, but I'm gonna cover that everything, whatever has happened in another video, and that is gonna come soon because that was a comeback video that I had to upload before this. I can tell all my stories later, but then this is something very important that needed to be done, and that is vision board. I am so excited. Like the last year that I made a video was a guide video, and this year again I want to start with my goals, my desires, and something that I really want, and to be working on that. So here's the first step that we need to take is our goals. And if you clicked on this video, I'm sure you're a believer and you want to change your life. And believe me, you've come to the right place, because in this video, I'm not just gonna tell you what to do and how to make a vision board, but I'm gonna be making vision board with you guys, because the year is about to end, the 2025 new year is about to start, and I am really excited, really wanted to make my vision board with you guys. So what is a vision board? A vision board is a visual representation of your dreams, goals and desires, and it's actually the collage of images, quotes and affirmations that resonates with the life that you want to manifest in your reality. So the purpose is it helps you motivate to work towards your goals. It also helps you in a way that your dream aligns with your reality. Vision board activates your subconscious mind. When you see it every day and when your dreams are in front of you every day, it starts to manifest and align with your reality, because when you work towards it, your dreams align with your reality and it starts to manifest in your 3D. It also acts as a visual reminder, because when there's something in front of you all the time, it's easy for you to manifest and work towards it, because you are completely reminded of the goals that you have in your life. So that is how a vision board works. So now that you know what a vision board is and how it works, you are gonna need the things required for a vision board. So many of you have these questions that can we make it digitally, or is it important, is it required to make it on a board particularly? It's completely up to you, but I would say that making a 3D board, making it on a paper with the images and actually creating it actually involves your senses. I have made both. If you ask me, I have made digitally and I've also made a board one. But if you ask me, the digital one which we put on our wallpaper, we just see it, but then we usually forget it. Like it's usually just another wallpaper for us. And if you start to make it on a board, you tend to put so much effort, you invest so much time, energy of yours in that particular board. So in last video, I actually explained that when you make a vision board, you must have this music that you love play in the background, because it helps you focus on your vision board and you just make something with love. Halfway you're already there because you've put so much energy into it. Someone who is making on board, things that you required are scissors, pair of scissors, scale if you want, and fevicol, and then board. So I'm gonna start with, I took this sheet over here. I am gonna take this board for my background, for my vision board. Next thing that we want is pictures. I have spent a lot of time searching for my goals on Pinterest, but इसके पहले मैं आपको कुछ चीजें बताऊंगी जो आपको बहुत important I think आपके लिए होगी. Make sure you're very clear on what you want. If you're not clear with what are the things you want, there are 4 to 5 categories जिससे आप अपना vision board बना सकते हो. Health, personal growth, career, relationships, and your delusional desires. So I have my pictures here. Actually got them printed जब मैं आ रही थी घर पर. Now we're gonna start cutting the images. I have these affirmations, I have my goals over here, and I'm gonna cut these. I'm gonna make ये सारे pictures मैंने cut करके अलग से, sorry, I have this picture here. So if you can see, I want to attend more concert because recently I went to Karan Aujla's concert and it was beautiful. Like it was amazing, like worth money, worth energy, time. It was amazing. Like I cannot even explain in words. It was really a dream, just like Aujla's concert tour. And few of my goals are like I wanna read more books this year. Like it's like कि time नहीं मिलता या जो भी बोलो, but then I want to take out my time for books. I really want to read books, and there are so many pictures. Like I want to do my skincare, and then this picture over here. I really want to meet this. So this picture is two best friends eating in a very fancy restaurant. So I really want to go to a very fancy restaurant with my best friend, and this is one of my fun goal. This really want to do good in YouTube. It's not about followers, but then I really want to achieve something over there. So yeah, YouTube is something I'm really looking forward to this year. One of them is a relationship. It could be like a princess treatment relationship. So I want to be close to God. So I have this God's picture over here, and then I really want to do well in my personally, like spiritual journey. I want it to be better. I want to grow spiritually. I'm just gonna add together, put it all together, and just make my vision board happen. So let's just get started, and then I'm just gonna make my vision board over here. So let's go. Don't make it too cluttered. Like make your goal realistic. बहुत लोग ये बोलते हैं कि उनका विजन बोर्ड काम नहीं करता and विजन बोर्ड से कुछ नहीं होता, विजन बोर्ड वर्क नहीं करता. Guys, I've had my vision board work, okay? So it happens when you actually are very specific of the goals that you want. It should have some quotes जो कि तुम्हें motivate करे, तुमसे relate करे. Making it too cluttered. Make sure there's enough space. जैसे hodgepodge नहीं होना चाहिए, ऐसे बहुत ज़्यादा भरा हुआ नहीं लगना चाहिए. Second is to be specific. It's not like I want to be rich. Be like तुम्हें कितना, how much do you want to earn so that you feel rich? Now, don't just stick to the materialistic things. Focus on the things you want, but also focus on the type of person you want to become. Your goals not aligning with you emotionally. Like, wow, I want this. I have this, I'm happy. So it should align with you emotionally. It's not like कि आप उस image को देख रहे हो and you don't feel anything. आपके पास ऐसे images ऐसे होने चाहिए जिसे देख के आपको लगे कि ये मुझे चाहिए. You want to go after it. You want to work on it. So make sure that your images or your goals align with you emotionally. So hi guys, I am done with my vision board and goals I changed. My vision board is finally done and it has turned out to be really beautiful. I'm just gonna show you guys, but before that we're gonna step into what are the ways and actions you need to take so that you can manifest your desires into reality. So the first thing is keep your vision board in a place where you see it daily. Visualize. Visualization is the core step, okay? It is the main and topmost step that I can tell you kyunki it involves your feelings, it involves your focus and all your senses. It just focus on one particular thing at that moment, and that is your goal, that is your dream and desire. So visualization is a very crucial step and key step to achieve anything. If you're manifesting, spend at least 5 to 10 minutes visualizing about how your life, how your लाइफस्टाइल इज. सो लोग क्या करते हैं कि वो ये कहते हैं कि हम इतने सारे विजन बोर्ड में हमारे इतने सारे पिक्चर्स हैं, हम उसे कैसे मैनिफेस्ट करें, बिकॉज देयर आर लॉट ऑफ गोल्स. सी व्हाट इफ यू आर द पर्सन हु हैज़ इट ऑल. इमेजिन करो कि आपके पास वो सारी चीज़ें हैं जो आपने विजन बोर्ड में ऐड की हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपके पास वो कार है, आपके पास वो घर है, आप वो इंसान हो, आप हेल्दी हो, आप हेल्दी खा रहे हो. तो आप विजुअलाइज करो कि जब आप उठते हो सुबह एंड आपका पूरा दिन कैसा जाता है उस इंसान की तरह जो आप उस पॉइंट पे हो. ओके, इमेजिन योर सेल्फ हु इज ऑलरेडी देयर. लाइक इमेजिन कि उसका डेली रूटीन कैसा होगा, इमेजिन उसका लाइफस्टाइल कैसा होगा, वो क्या खा रहा है, वो क्या कर रहा है. तो विजुअलाइजेशन में ये करना है, ना कि ये कि वो गोल आप उस चीज़ को मैनिफेस्ट करो कि अच्छा वो वहाँ पे वो डायमंड वहाँ पड़ा है तो वो डायमंड आपको दिख रहा है. नो, विजुअलाइज कि आप उस चीज़ को, उस डायमंड को खरीद रहे हो. विजन बोर्ड में मेरी बहुत सारी चीज़ें रह गई थी बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट टेक action for it. Okay, 2024, I don't know, I was lazy. I kept pushing it away, kept delaying it. I was procrastinating most of the time. So it does not come to you until and unless you are that person, or you are that person who's taking action. कुछ भी विजन बोर्ड बना लो, स्क्रिप्टिंग कर लो, कुछ भी कर लो, ये सब कभी काम नहीं करेगा अगर आप एक्शन नहीं ले रहे हो. I'm gonna show you my board. I have completed it, and I have added affirmations. I have added so मेरा board is a, I'll show you. So this is how it looks. Okay, so this is how it looks, and I'm really happy. I don't know, it's not necessary कि आपने सारे पिक्चर्स जो कट किए वो सारे फिट हो गए. इनफैक्ट आई हैड टू लीव सम बिकॉज ये एक्चुअली एक्स्ट्रा था. स्किन केयर मैंने ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे स्किन केयर लगा रखा है, तो ये सारी चीज़ें एक्स्ट्रा, बट देन डू नॉट ट्राई टू फिट एवरीथिंग. दैट इज ऑल. आई एम डन हियर with my vision board, and I hope it helped you guys. Comment down below your goals and whatever you wish to achieve. Don't forget to like, comment, and share and subscribe, because share it with your friends if you want, so that they can make with you. And share and subscribe. It's up to you if you like the video. If you like the video and if it was helpful to you, you can like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for being here on this channel, especially my old followers. Like, I don't know if any one of you are new here, but then if all of you are watching, thank you. We are a gang, and thank you for always sticking out my side and not leaving, because whenever I come back to YouTube, I could just see that 800 followers or 700, 800 followers जो कि हैं, जो कम नहीं हो रहे, and it just makes me so happy that you guys are just there. And yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I hope this helped you, and love you guys.